In fire and rescue, maritime search and rescue, and police patrol operations, Atemitech provides professional ODM, OEM custom speaker solutions for drones, tailor-made for your specialized missions. When a mission demands high sound pressure at long distances, the weight of traditional speakers often becomes a heavy burden, directly sacrificing valuable flight time and power. But what if you compromise to make them lightweight? A weak broadcast voice gets swallowed instantly by wind and waves, leaving communication completely ineffective. Even more troublesome, powerful magnets in traditional speakers create severe electromagnetic interference, silently interfering with the electronic compass and GPS in flight, compromising navigation precision. Now, Atemitech offers a more perfect custom solution. Engineered for a completely non-magnetic, low-interference design, it weighs under 100 grams, yet packs a powerful output of up to 105 dBs. It also features DSP Active Noise Cancellation and IP55 dust and water resistance. From speaker acoustic optimization to structural enclosure design, contact Atemitech today to unlock your tailored custom solution.